What's up, guys? Joe from the AZ Westside Wheelers here. Today we are bringing you a part video on the ZJ. 1993 to 1998. It's probably going to be about the same for the 5.2 liter. We are going to do the PCV valve today. That's the positive crankcase ventilation. And the simplistics of it is where your air comes in, it just kind of gives you a nice circular breathing motion through your engine. Today we're going to take you through the part install of this thing. Super easy part install. I mean, I give this like a 1 out of 10 wrenches. This thing's so easy. Also, cheap. This thing right here was $1.99 at AutoZone. It is PCV 1190DL. Basically, it's just this little valve right here. Tiny little valve. And it just helps your vehicle breathe. Okay, we'll get on this install. Right here, there's going to be your old one, right on your valve cover. You're going to want to try and work that off. Let's see here. We'll see if we can get the hose off first. There's the hose. Okay. Now, move this thing around because it's probably been in there a long time. Oh, yeah. That's nice. Okay. Looks like we get to have a little more fun than anticipated. This is what the insides look like. It's just a spring check valve in there. Now I got to go grab a pair of pliers. Okay, let me grab some needle nose. Wow.
Almost.
Okay. Wow. See, now that is why you change them out.
Hold on, I gotta focus.
That's why you change them out, and you change them out often. Okay? Because this is a $2 part. They should probably be changed out. I don't know the recommendation. I would say every 10,000 miles. They're $2. Come on, people. And it really actually affects how this thing runs. We had some rough idle before. We are gonna do this as part number 1. We're gonna put this new one in. Put a little bit of that oil. I had a little oil on my finger from the old one. A little oil around the outside. New one. You just work that sucker back in. Try not to break it. There we go. Hear the pop. Now you take this. Make sure you keep it connected on the other side. Hook your hose back up. Now, I honestly don't think this is gonna fix our issue, but this could be part of your issue in a larger part. These things are old. They require tune-ups, and a lot of people skip out on that. We just picked this Jeep up. This Jeep has we have no idea what parts they put on this thing. So it says Mopar on the wires. Who knows? That could be the second set, first set. I don't think they're crunchy, but we're gonna go through it all. Stick around for all of that. Let's go fire this Jeep up and see if that helped. I honestly hope it helped. I don't know how well this is translating, but you can kind of feel it inside. Let me put it in drive and my foot on the brake, and you can really see the vibration. So, while that's something that needed to be changed, I don't think that was our part that's causing our rough idle. We will keep going until we figure this out, and we will try and find out what's going on with this used Jeep. So stick around, lots more part videos to come. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you think you know what's going on. I have a real rough idle when I put my foot on the brake and put it in drive or reverse, but neutral it seems to plane out, and park it seems to be all right. So let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.